I know you might be wondering why am I using aloe vera on my face? Well, stick around to find out. Hey strangers, welcome back to another YouTube video. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Esther Essie, Lagos-based model, makeup artist, and content creator. You're good to get it for all things beauty, fashion, and inspiration. And today we are doing my Dermaplanning for my skin. So Dermaplaning is literally where you shave off the hair on your face or shave off the hair on your skin. Yeah, so I'm doing it naturally at home. So I have to use aloe vera. Most people get really sensitive from aloe vera, so I would recommend you freeze your aloe vera or you use cucumbers. Or cold cucumbers could help soothing hyperpigmentation and any irritation on your face. So this is the blade I'm using for my dermaplaning. So I try as much as possible to do this procedure at least once every month. It's not a constant thing because I do use chemical exfoliation most of the time. So this is what I just do. It's like a one time in a monthly ritual for my skin so my face can pop, because sometimes when the hair is on your face, your skin gets to look a bit dull. And literally, I'm just shaving every single hair I have on my face. And because of the application of the aloe vera gel, it glides off really smoothly and leaves little to no irritation. I was actually being so careful not to cut my face. So please, if it's your first time actually trying dermaplaning by yourself, be very careful so the blade doesn't cut your skin or cut your face. Yeah, really, really careful. So slowly watch the process. Cut the hair where you see the hair and just gently try to glide it through using the aloe vera gel or whatever gel you're going to use. If you're not using aloe vera gel, I already said you can use cucumbers or cold cucumber or cold aloe vera gel. Yeah. So literally, I do exfoliate my face every once in 2 weeks. So in the second week of the last week of the month is where I do my derma planning by myself at home. So gently just removing the hair that on my face, and I would just do my eyebrow also. This is the perfect time to actually shave my eyebrow in a month. I think of recent now I have stopped shaving my eyebrows because the edge part is hardly getting any full, and I just want to like give that underneath part, because I do make up a lot, a smooth canvas. So where I apply my eyebrows underneath my makeup, it will look nice and trimmed out. So yeah, literally that's just me doing my derma planning and making sure my skin and my face look as good as every other part of my body, because skincare, most times people forget face and most people do face and forget skin. So yeah, Dermaplaning can be used as an exfoliation to clear the dead skin cell on your face. So yeah, this is literally me just doing that for you all, and I feel like my face is already shining like so well. Sometimes after the dermaplaning, in case of any cut or any irritation, I go in again with the aloe vera gel all over my face and let that sit for like 30 minutes or 10 minutes. I relax, press my phone, and just apply that, let it soothe in the skin and go into the skin. Then I wash it off, and after that, I have a smooth and clean skin, glowy, and whatnots. Yeah, so I think I'm talking too much. I should just let you guys watch the video because I've explained too much about everything I've been doing today. So yeah, just enjoy the video, and yeah, if you have any questions or any recommendations or anything you want to say, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. And that I'm using is what I'm using to wash my face. Anyways, so if you have any questions, I'll be in the comment section always to respond to them. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow me across all social media platforms. My name still remains Esther SC across all platforms: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snap, and every other platform you can think of. And yeah, so I would see you all in the next one. What video do you want to see next? Do you want to see skincare video or makeup videos? I think I will do more makeup tutorials on this page. But anyways, till then, shine bright.